For years, Sapphire FUE has been the golden standard. In hair transplant, we all know it. Smoother incision, faster healing, and better results than traditional steel. But at Vera Clinic, good enough isn't in our vocabulary. Today, we're moving beyond the gold standard. I'm talking about the Vector-10. Using CVD lab-grown diamond technology, this is changing everything we know about the hair restoration.
Microscopic precision. Less tissue trauma. Faster healing. Vector-10. Diamond blade technology.
So what is Vector-10? Developed in partnership with Epsilon Enterprise, leaders in aerospace and quantum engineering, the Vector-10 is a blade made from CVD lab-grown diamond. Now, why diamond, you might ask? Because diamond is the hardest material known to science. While sapphire was a huge step up from steel, it still has limitations in sharpness and durability. Vector-10 takes those limitations and shatters them. Let's look at the numbers, because they're staggering. Point 1, sharpness. Vector-10 has twice the initial sharpness of a sapphire blade. In surgery, sharpness equals precisions. It means the blade glides through the scalp with almost zero resistance. Durability. During a long session, sapphire blades can actually lose their age. Lab tests show that after 6,000 incisions, a sapphire blade starts to dull. The Vector-10, it maintains the edges for up to 90,000 incisions. That's a 15-fold increase in durability. Microscopic precision. The edge of a Vector-10 blade is refined at the angstrom level. That's atomic scale. Instead of compressing or tearing the tissue, it separates it perfectly. You might be wondering, that's great for surgeons, but what does it mean for me? Well, it means everything. Consistency. Your first graft and your 4,000th graft are treated with the exact same level of precision. No dulling means no trauma. Faster healing. Because the incisions are cleaner at a molecular level, your tissue response is optimized. Less trauma to the scalps means a smoother recovery. A natural result. Predictable channel geometry allows our surgeon to place grafts with absolute perfection, ensuring the most natural density and angle possible. We didn't just buy a new tool. We partnered with aerospace engineers to refine the ergonomics and performance of this technology, specifically for hair transplants. Vera Clinic is the exclusive partner and the first in the world to bring this aerospace-grade material into the operating room. The future of hair restoration isn't coming, it's already here. And if you want the most advised, precise, and scientifically backed hair transplant available today, you want the Vector-10. Click the link below or visit us at veraclinic.net to book your consultation.
For months, we worked in silence, exploring new possibilities, studying precision at its purest form, together with the innovators at Epsilon Enterprise, inspired by the strongest element in nature. Science met surgical expertise, engineering met medical mastery, and a new standard began to take shape. Engineered for accuracy, designed for excellence, introducing the future of hair transplantation. Born from collaboration, presenting Vector-10, the world's first CVD diamond hair transplant.